Now we are going to work on a style sheet for our website. So we want to make it look a little prettier. So I'm going to go ahead and ask Copilot to create a CSS theme for my non-profit website in a Kentucky theme and in a Styles.css file. Let's see what it can do, if it can create this file for me. So it's going to go ahead and start thinking. So we have this GitHub Copilot Chat, and I'm just using this as an example. You can actually do it right here in the code editor, but I'm going to go ahead and copy all this. If I do Command A, it selects it all. Then I do Command C, and then didn't actually create the file for me, but I'll go ahead and go back here. And in this, we're going to click here, and we're going to create a new file, and we're going to call it styles.css. And then we're going to go ahead and take this CSS that we created with the GitHub chat. We're going to save it. We make sure we save it. I'm going to go back to my index.html and make sure it's linked properly here. I know it's got the right name, but let's see. If I do this, hit the slash, and then styles.css. I'm going to save that, and then we got to go back down here to our terminal. We do our git status again. See, we have in red our styles.css. That means it hasn't, it's not tracking that. We haven't uploaded that, so we're going to go ahead and git add -- all, and now we're going to do a git status, and you see it it's tracking that now because it's turned it green. So we've modified both this index.html and this styles.css file, which we want to upload. And once again, this is just a different version of our terminal over here. So I can go back over here and I can do my git status again. It shows we're tracking it. And we can do our commit. So we updated the index.html and created a styles.css file. And so we're going to go ahead and commit that. We'll do our git status again. We see our our local branch is one commit ahead. So, and our working tree is clean. So we're going to go ahead and do the git push -u origin main. And so it's going to push that up to our GitHub repo. And so we'll do our git status again. And it says our branch is up to date. There's nothing to commit. So if we go back to our GitHub here and we refresh it, we should see a new file. There it is. There's our style.css. There's all that CSS we created with our our GitHub Copilot Chat extension is right here on GitHub now. So now that we've got it up on GitHub, let's go over to our website and see if it's updated on our website. Doesn't look like. I might need to launch it again here. Let's see if I can go to our deployments. Let's see. It might take a second to catch up to me. It just deployed now, and it's not connected for some reason. So it's not reading our CSS. So what we need to do is we need to troubleshoot this. So in the next video, I'm going to troubleshoot why our CSS isn't connected here to our HTML.